Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize your freelance journey with Freelancer, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by creating a compelling profile that highlights your skills and experience. Use a professional profile picture to establish credibility. Write a strong bio that summarizes your expertise and what you offer to potential clients. Customize your profile by adding relevant work samples that showcase your abilities. Ensure your skills section is comprehensive and matches the services you intend to provide. Next, set competitive pricing for your services based on market research and your skill level. Consider using Freelancer's tools to compare rates with similar freelancers. Once your profile is complete, begin browsing job listings that align with your skills. Apply to projects that interest you and fit your expertise. Craft personalized proposals for each application showing your understanding of the project. Be clear about your approach, timeline, and pricing in your proposals. Maintain a professional tone and avoid generic responses. As you receive feedback, use it to improve your future applications and proposals. Once you land a job, communicate effectively with your client. Clarify project expectations and milestones to avoid misunderstandings. Keep the client updated on your progress throughout the project. When the project completes, seek feedback to enhance your profile for future opportunities. Building a solid reputation on Freelancer is crucial for long-term success. Make an effort to earn positive reviews and ratings from your clients. Find opportunities to upskill by taking courses or certifications in your field. Regularly update your profile to reflect new skills and experiences. Participate in Freelancer forums to network with other professionals and share insights. Set aside time to refine your bidding strategy based on the success of your applications. Monitor trends in your industry to adjust your services and keep them relevant. Finally, reflect on your freelance journey regularly to identify areas for improvement. By following these steps, you can optimize your freelance journey and thrive on Freelancer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.